check on my birds with me, and my dogs are outside too. So yes, I have birds. They're actually quail. And I need to just check on them, make sure they're okay. I don't really do this a lot, so because I'm like never out here. But we have 2 cages, and let's go check on them. So my dog really likes these birds, and one time she went under the cage. And she got stung by a bee. No, a wasp. So that's bad. And she's going crazy right now. Okay, so here she is. Luna, no! Get back here. That's where she got stung. And she just goes in here because she can fit in those cages, so I can't really let her out. But here are the birds. Oh, where are they? Oh, they're right here. So there's one in that little area, and then there's one over there, and all of them are, oh, hi. So all of them are in there, and there's some over here. We got 2 over there, and then Luna, stop, get out of there. And then we have 3 in there. So here's the 3. You can't really see, but can you see them? Ugh, it's way too hard, but yeah. So we do have one hurt one, and I don't know if it's a male or a female, but if it's a female, we really need it to get better because we need the eggs. Yeah. But here she is. She's in here. She's in here, and I'm gonna show you. She is a white bird. There she is. She's doing a little bit better. It's just her head is injured, so yeah. Some of our males are aggressive, so we had to put them in that cage, that little cage. So yeah. Anyways, follow for more. Bye guys. Bye. Bye.